Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Check battery voltage and fuel level because low power or empty tank masks faults. Connect your OBD-ROMan 2 or Access 125 code reader to the diagnostic port under the seat. Turn the ignition to on but do not start the engine. Once the reader powers up, you'll pull stored fault codes. Write them down. Make sure to note code numbers and freeze frame data. If no codes appear, cycle ignition and rescan. Otherwise, proceed to test the specific sensor or circuit indicated. You now interpret the codes. They point to systems, ignition, fueling, or sensors, so prioritize tangible checks. Inspect spark plug gap and condition, then swap or clean the air filter. These cause many check engine triggers. Next, examine wiring and connectors to the MAP/MAF or O2 sensor for corrosion or loose pins. Use a multimeter to verify sensor voltages and resistances against specifications. When you find out-of-range readings, replace the sensor or repair wiring. Once corrected, clear codes. You finish by clearing the codes using your diagnostic tool. If unavailable, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the ECU. Reconnect, start the engine, and perform a test ride under different loads for 15 to 20 minutes so the ECU runs through readiness cycles. Make sure the light stays off and rescan for new codes. If the check engine light returns, rescan immediately. Focus on poor grounds or intermittent wiring, and consider a replacement ECU only after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.